Creating a 3D model with Blender can be as challenging as editing in Premiere Pro for the first time. However, what if I tell you that you could accomplish hours of work in just a few seconds using an AI tool? Look at this 3D dragon. Do you really think I spent countless hours of creating them in software like Blender? Absolutely not. This is a vision tool called Trico 3D, which is an AI tool that allows me to generate 3D models based on my prompt in just a few seconds. And I can also import this model into software like Blender and After Effects. And one of my favorite features is the Lego mode, which lets me generate high quality 3D models in just a few seconds. For example, see how I transform my 3D Earth model into a Lego Earth in just a few seconds. Link in the description of Trico 3D. Now let me show you how you can create your favorite 3D model in just a minutes. Actually in just a second. So after signing up, you will see a dashboard like this. Here you have two options. First, you can generate a 3D models by entering a prompt in text fonts. And second, you can create a 3D model by uploading an image. And with the help of AI tool like ChatGPT, you can also create an interesting prompt to get exactly 3D models as you want. And I'm pretty sure you must have seen Star Wars movies. I really like the spaceship showing the movie. So I'm pasting my prompt for a spaceship. Next, in the style section, you can select your preferred style. There are also some static available, but I don't think we need to worry about those for now. And once you are ready, click the generate button, and after a few seconds, you will have the opportunity to choose from 3 to 4 different models according to your preference. For now, I'm choosing this interesting looking spaceship. And you know what's great about Trico 3D is that it offers the option for both textured and untextured models. If you wish, you can also animate it as well, but of course, it costs some extra coins. There are also a stylized option below which allow you to transform your 3D spaceship into styles like Lego, voxel or Voronoi. Converting it to Lego for instance yields wonderful results like this. On the left side you will find a share option allowing you to share your project directly on social media or with friends. I have also created other 3D models like this butterfly, a sun, a 3D car and this big tree. And as I mentioned beginning of the video, you can also convert any image into a 3D model. To do this, select the image option here, choose your image and your 3D model will be ready. Next, use your file format to export your project and click the download button. And now you can use your favorite 3D models at your convenience just like I do. So if you enjoyed this content, please give the video a like and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below. And if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and use Trico 3D right now because signing up through my link you will receive 600 coin instantly which you can use to create your 3D models. And for even better speed and quality, consider checking out their premium plan. So that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed the content, and if you have any question related to Trico 3D and regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're a guy who really love these types of AI tool like me, then don't forget to watch this video. So see you soon.